Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your American Express account. So first you have to do is open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And on the top there is a URL section. Just type americanexpress.com and enter it. And we just landed to the American Express official homepage, and in the top right corner there's a login option right here. Click on that and we could see there's a login to my account right here. All you need is your user ID, password, and your account type. So simply type down your user ID and your password as well. And you have to choose which account type you have in order to log in. And there's a little box right over here. So you can simply click on that option if you want to keep signing your American Express account in your device. But if you do not prefer that, you can simply click that option again. And on the bottom, you could see if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option. And if you have not enrolled your account in this American Express, you can click on this option as well. And after you're done with it, you can simply click on the login option right over here and you will be successfully logged into your American Express account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.